Discovery of ancient zombie viruses. Imagine a world where the melting ice reveals ancient secrets, secrets frozen for tens of thousands of years. What if these secrets were alive? This is not science fiction, this is our reality. Scientists have unearthed ancient zombie viruses buried in permafrost, dormant for millennia, but capable of coming back to life. Today we'll explore the discovery of these viruses, the science behind their revival, and the potential risks they pose to modern life. Stay tuned as we delve into the chilling world of ancient pathogens rising from the frozen past. The science of permafrost. Permafrost is a layer of soil that remains frozen year-round, trapping not only organic matter, but also microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. It acts as a time capsule, preserving ancient life forms from thousands, even millions of years ago. As global temperatures rise, permafrost is thawing at unprecedented rates. What was once safely locked away is now being exposed. This isn't just releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, it's also uncovering ancient microbes, including viruses that may have been dormant for tens of thousands of years. What are zombie viruses? The term zombie viruses might sound like it's straight out of a horror movie, but it's a fitting description. These are ancient viruses that have been revived in laboratory settings after lying dormant in permafrost. One example is the discovery of a 30,000-year-old virus called Pithavirus sibericum. Despite its age, it was still infectious when scientists revived it in a lab. While this particular virus infects amoebas and isn't a threat to humans, its revival raises a critical question. What else is buried in the permafrost? The recent discoveries. In 2022, researchers in Siberia identified nearly a dozen ancient viruses, some dating back 48,000 years. These viruses were found in ice samples taken from a frozen lakebed, mammoth remains, and even the stomach contents of a Siberian wolf. One of the revived viruses, aptly named Pandoravirus yodoma, is the oldest ever revived at 48,500 years old. This discovery demonstrates the resilience of ancient microbes, capable of surviving extreme conditions for millennia. The revival of these viruses wasn't accidental. Scientists deliberately awakened them under controlled conditions to study their structure and behavior. The goal? To better understand ancient pathogens and assess any potential risks they might pose to modern ecosystems or humanity. Could these viruses pose a threat? The big question is, should we be worried? So far, most of the revived viruses target amoebas and are unlikely to infect humans. But the permafrost contains countless microbes, many of which remain undiscovered. Some scientists worry that ancient pathogens capable of infecting humans or animals might eventually be exposed. For example, an anthrax outbreak in Siberia in 2016 was linked to thawing permafrost that released dormant anthrax spores from a long-buried reindeer carcass. As more permafrost melts, the risk of encountering ancient pathogens capable of infecting modern hosts increases. These microbes evolved in a completely different world, one without modern immune systems to counter them. The role of climate change. This brings us to a larger issue, climate change. The Arctic is warming nearly 4 times faster than the rest of the planet. This accelerated thawing not only raises concerns about ancient pathogens, but also contributes to rising sea levels and destabilized ecosystems. Thawing permafrost could also release vast amounts of carbon and methane, exacerbating climate change even further. It's a vicious cycle. Warming causes thawing, and thawing contributes to more warming. The revival of ancient viruses serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. the ethical debate. The revival of these zombie viruses also raises ethical questions. Should we be reviving ancient viruses at all? Some argue that studying these pathogens can help us better understand potential future pandemics and bolster our preparedness. However, others worry that the risks outweigh the benefits. Accidental releases or unforeseen consequences could spell disaster. The delicate balance between scientific curiosity and caution is at the heart of this debate. What we've learned so far. Despite the risks, the study of these ancient viruses offers valuable insights. They reveal how life evolved under drastically different conditions, shedding light on Earth's history. They also help scientists understand the mechanisms that allow microbes to survive extreme conditions, potentially leading to breakthroughs in medicine or biotechnology. The study of permafrost viruses might even provide clues about life beyond Earth. If microbes can survive tens of thousands of years frozen on Earth, could they also survive on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus? The big picture. Ultimately, the discovery of zombie viruses is a wake-up call. It highlights the unforeseen consequences of climate change and the urgency of addressing global warming. It also reminds us of the fragile balance between humanity and the natural world. While the idea of ancient viruses coming back to life might sound like science fiction, it's a real and fascinating chapter in Earth's story, one that's still being written. The discovery of ancient zombie viruses is a testament to the resilience of life and the mysteries buried within our planet. What other secrets lie hidden in the frozen depths, waiting to be uncovered? If you're fascinated by the wonders of our ever-changing planet, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the revival of ancient viruses? Exciting or terrifying? Let's discuss.